Hello everyone, this is Ana Protasio, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to open a genome file and annotation into ACT. So hopefully you've already done this, so this is just a refresher. First of all, I'm going to open ACT with a double click. That's going to take a few fractions of a second. And now I'm just going to click OK here and then navigate to my file. So now Artemis is open and I can use the menu on the top left to open a file. I have already downloaded all the files so that you can do this from the FTP side. So my files are on the desktop here in course 4, and the files that we are going to open are in week 2, and you have a bunch of files over there. But the ones that we're going to use is the S-Typhi DNA and the Escherichia coli K12 files. So remember that in ACT we have 3 files that we need to load. The 2 genome files or GB files that will also include the annotation. And also we need a comparison file. So let's start with the DNA file from S-Typhi. I can open this one. We see that it's loaded in the sequence file 1. And now I'm going to choose the comparison file, which is the one that is S-Typhi versus E. coli K12. That's loaded over there. And the last one is the AK12 file that I need to load. I don't have a FASTA file for AK12, but I have an EMBL file that has the sequence file, has the sequence in it as well. There we go. So now we can do apply. And this is going to load our window. We just say no to view the warnings. There we go. That's our ACT window that you might be familiar with. You can see that in the second file that we loaded, the one that is the EMBL file, the E. coli file, we have the annotation. We don't have annotation in the S-Typhi DNA one. We can load the annotation by going to File, S-Typhi DNA, Read an Entry, and here we can select the S-Typhi tab file, which has the annotation. We say no to seeing the warnings, and here's the annotation is loaded. Remember that this banner here in the middle is not a zoom in and zoom out, but it just clears the screen. We can reduce the number of homology bars that are set up. For zooming in and out, we still need to use the ones at the top. This is the end of this very short demonstration. We hope you've enjoyed it and now you feel a bit more familiar with loading files into Artemis. Remember to post any questions or comments in the comments area, and thanks for listening.